Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the show elevation function in the Speedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, look for the show elevation button. And to enable this function, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns black, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.